Hello dear students, today we'll discuss some numerical problems based on the topic we have already discussed in the previous class. So before going to that, we'll make a list of the important note. So what all things is necessary to use for the solving the given competitive questions. So let us go ahead with the x, that is of a sine omega t plus phi. So general equation of a particle which is executing the simple harmonic motion it is. So general equation, right? As velocity, general equation, that is of a omega cos, a omega cos, wait, cos omega, a omega cos omega t plus phi, which is executing the general equation of simple harmonic motion of a particles. So this is we needed very important part, it is particle as well as its velocity, and when it is needed acceleration, we'll make a list of acceleration here. So let us take a first problem here, that is write simple harmonic equation of a particle if particle is initially at origin and moving if particle is initially at origin and moving in a negative x direction with respect to mean position. So with respect to the mean position here, given data is amplitude is equal to 2 centimeter and total time period is given to 4 seconds. So we need to find out the simple harmonic equation of a particle. That means this one. This will not get same as we have got the general equation, because particle initially at origin it is and moving in the negative direction. So we have to frame the diagram here. Particle is there at initially x is equal to 0, right? So where velocity is equal to maximum, right? So it is moving initially at the origin and moving in the negative direction, means a negative extreme position it is. Hopefully we will think that negative extreme position with respect to the mean position, where amplitude is given here, a is equal to 2 centimeter and time period is also given here 4 seconds. We need to find out the negative direction of x is equal to how much it is, but it is not exactly extreme position, but is moving towards the negative direction. So what we have, the equation, time period is given at 4 seconds, means displacement of a particle from mean position to the negative x direction and its velocity should be same. Then only we can say that the time period of the particle. With the help of that concept, we are going to find out the simple harmonic equation of a particle x, right, which is moving in the negative direction. Then we have for the displacement x is equal to, so for the solution we will start it displacement in short form x. I will write it here, displacement. First we'll go ahead with the displacement. That means changes x we have here generally a sine omega t plus phi here, right? As x is at the mean position initially, origin means at t is equal to 0 also. That means x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. Put these equation values in the equation one here, that is of displacement, that is 0 is equal to a sine omega 0 into phi it is. I think camera is not catching this one. I'll write it here once again. Upside. So as displacement we are going ahead here. X is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Originally particle is at the mean position, means x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0 here. So we'll put it here, a sine omega 0 of phi here. So we'll got it a sine phi, right? A sine phi. That means here sine phi is equal to 0. Sine phi is equal to 0 means phi of sine inverse of 0 means what it is? 0 only, or it may take it as a phi. If you want, you can cross check the allied angle here, 0, 90 pi, right? So here sine inverse is 0, either 0 or else it will take to 180. So this is the first condition in the displacement. Let us go ahead with the velocity part. Velocity and the displacement should be equal in the sense these should be same. Well, it is given the time period of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. So we have velocity, that is of a omega cos omega t plus phi. So directly I am writing the what is that velocity concept here. With the help of diagram we need to understand here. So it is moving negative direction, it is. So it is moving negative direction. So extreme position is somewhere it is, but indicating that it is moving negative direction from x is equal to 0 to t is equal to 0 to some other distance. Then what we have to do here, it indicates velocity is a maximum at the mean position. As it is a moving, either it is a positive or a negative direction, velocity is going to be decrease. That means velocity is what here? Less than 0. Less than 0 in the sense what? Velocity is going to be 0 at the extreme position, but body is not said to be as a negative extreme position. This is the extreme position actually, but body is moving up to certain negative direction. So this part is velocity of this position is less than 0. It is not reached to the extreme position, it reached the certain negative direction of the particle, but it is executing the simple harmonic motion. Velocity is less than where it is at the extreme position. What will be the velocity? Velocity will be extreme position, v is equal to 0, but it not reached to the extreme position, it reached to the somewhat negative direction with respect to the mean position. That was the question given here. So first we have to write it, this part is less than 0 only. Now what is remain, this condition is holds good only when x is equal to 0 to and t is equal to 0 it is. So we said that velocity is going to be less than 0 here. Then v is equal to a cos omega 0 at the phi less than 0. So concentrate only this part. What is remained here? A cos phi. This is remains 0 only. So this is of less than 0. This is of less than 0 it is. So when cos phi will be less than 0, when cos phi will be less than 0, let us cross check. 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360 here. When cos will be less than 0. See, we can check it here. Particle is moving in a negative direction. That means cos 0 will be 1. So let us see. So cos 0 will be 1 here. This is less than 0 means cos 180. So cos 180 will be minus 1. Yes, obviously cos 180 is minus 1 means particle is moving in the negative direction. So here also phi we can take a phi. That means it is moving in the negative direction. Here also we can give phi, either it is equal to pi here. That means it is moving negative direction, means obviously pi does not has a one more option here. Phi is equal to pi only. Now this condition is holds good. Now we'll move towards the taking as a pi, because in displacement also phi is there, in the velocity also pi is there here, that is of pi, because particle condition only it is, particle is moving in the negative direction here. Now we'll move on to the what is that, total acceleration. So what is that? X is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. In place of phi we will put the pi value here. Now we'll move on to the next solution of that. So x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Phi already we have taken it as a pi. How we got the pi? In the previous step we have discussed here, that is a is equal to, means this one only we need to find out what is the condition of x here. What is the condition of x here? So it will be remains here a sine omega t plus phi it is. So omega t plus phi. So time period they had given 4 seconds. We know the relation, that is of 2 pi by omega, right? So we need to find out omega here, 2 pi by t. So what is a 2 pi? T is a 4 second, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is of pi by, that is of pi by 2 it is. So omega, in place of omega I will put it here pi by 2. So that is a sine pi by 2 t plus phi here. So look at this function, this will look like a sine 90 plus, I mean to say that sine 180 plus theta. This is, I'll write it similar as, this will look like a similar as 180 plus theta. So this is a 180 plus theta. In the same way it is looking like. So what you are going to write it here, 180 plus theta means in third quadrant, all sine tan cos. So except tan, remaining all will be negative here. That indicates negative sign comes here. Sine of 180 plus theta, sine will be remains as a sine only. That theta is what here, pi by 2 t. So a will be there here, a sine pi by 2 t. So a is also given. What is that? A is the amplitude at 2 centimeter, it is given, right? So I'll write it here once again, minus a sine pi by 2 t. We got it here. A it is given as a 2 centimeter, right? It is given now here, a is equal to 2 centimeter from the main position to the negative direction. In place of a I will put it here 2 minus 2 sine pi by 2 t it is. So this is the equation of the particle where it is executing the simple harmonic motion. So negative sign indicates here this is moving in the negative direction. This is only the question they have asked here. So like this you are going to solve the problem. It is asked in some year ago, that is of 2001 in NEET, not NEET, actually it is asked in IIT question here. So we'll move on to the next problem. So there is one more problem I have taken here. Find the equation of a particle in a simple harmonic motion. X you have to find out here. That is the equation it will give you. Find the velocity of the particle also at a time period 2 seconds and 3 seconds. If particle initially is that right extreme of the origin moving in a negative direction, moving in a x negative direction where amplitude is 2 centimeter is given and the time period is 8 seconds is given. So once again you have to go through the problem here. Find the equation of a particle in a simple harmonic motion x and find the velocity of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds and t is equal to 3 seconds if particle initially is that right extreme of the origin moving in a negative x direction where amplitude and the time period is given here, right? Now we'll go ahead with the first diagram. We need to understand where is the particle exactly. So solution of that, first we have to go ahead with the diagram. This is the mean position where x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0 here. What it condition is, it is moving right negative, a right extreme position, right, moving in a x direction. That means originally it is at the x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0 here, right? Initially is that right extreme of the origin. So right extreme of the origin means first it will move towards the positive direction, right? That side means positive, first positive it will be, then it will come to the negative direction. Means at the right extreme position x is equal to a and t is equal to 0. First it is moving here, means we are not taking from the initially original. When it is reach to the right extreme position, from there we are taking it as to observing particle is moving in the negative direction here. So it is from origin to first it will move right extreme position here. So right extreme position is here at x is equal to a and t is equal to 0 here, and it is moving again, it is origin to this side, amplitude is given, it is a 2 centimeter, it is negative direction for this particular point. Means it is not showing that it is reaching to the complete negative extreme term. No, it is moving only this part. We need to find out the x here. We need to find out the velocity at t is equal to 2, t is equal to 3 second it is. So 2 is equal to 3, t is equal to 2, t is equal to 3 seconds. For the 2 seconds, what will be the velocity of a particle? For the 3 seconds, what will be the velocity and what will be the equation of the particle? So that only we need to find out here this position. It is not reaching the negative extreme position exactly where it is reaching to the right extreme position with respect to the mean position. So somewhat before reaching to the negative extreme position of a particle, we need to find out this at this position what will be the velocity. So that was the question given here. So we'll go ahead with that. What is that? X is equal to 0, right? Sorry, x is equal to a we have taken no here. It reached to the right extreme position and that time t is equal to 0 here, right extreme position. So right extreme position here, what will be the displacement? That is of x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi it is, right? Where we need to find out x is equal to a here. A sine omega is what? The omega t is 0 here, then phi. So a and a will get cancels, remains with the 1 sine phi here. 1 sine phi. So that indicates here what? Sine phi is equal to 1 means phi is equal to sine inverse of 1. Phi is equal to sine inverse of 1. When it will be sine inverse of 1? It is pi by 2 here. So 1 is equal to sine inverse of phi it is, that is equal to what here? Sine inverse of phi is pi by 2. So we can take, sine inverse of 1 it is, that is of phi. So pi we can take it as a pi by 2. So let us cross check with the velocity here. So velocity we have, displacement is concluded that it is of at pi by 2 it is. Then velocity we have, that is of a omega cos omega t plus phi it is, right? So again it is moving in the negative direction, means this velocity will be again less than 0 only. Velocity will be again less than 0 it is. That means what we need to check it here again for the position of what it is, x t is equal to 0, where velocity is less than 0, moving in a negative direction here, moving in negative direction. So v is equal to a omega cos of 0 plus phi it is, right, where this condition is less than 0 only. Then a omega cos phi less than 0 it is. So less than 0 means again cos inverse of 0. So what is that? Cos inverse of 0 is 1. That means cos phi is equal to, first we'll check it, cos phi is equal to what? If it is 0 means what is the condition? Phi is equal to cos inverse of 0, that is of pi by 2. If you are getting confusion means you can go ahead with the allied here, that is of 0, 90 and 180 here. So cos 0 means it will comes as a, what is that? 1 here. So cos 0 means it is 1. 1 means what it is? Pi by 2. So phi we can take it as a pi by 2. For the displacement also pi by 2 it is. For the velocity is also pi by 2 it is. Now we will cross check with the displacement particle, that is of what? A sine omega t plus phi it is. So what it indicates here? A weight is given only, that is of 2, right? So that is of x is equal to 2 sine omega t. Omega we don't have here. T is given to 2 pi by omega, right? So t is given here 8 second commonly, right? That is omega is equal to 2 by t it is. So 2 pi by 8, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So pi by 4, omega is equal to pi by 4. I will write it here, pi by 4 t plus pi by 2 it is. So pi by 2. So look at this part, this is the same as a sine 90 plus theta it is. 90 is pi by 2, theta is this one. So I'm going to write it here. 90 plus theta means it is a cos. So here allied angles will be changes, but sine won't changes here. It will be remains the same, only the sine converted into cos. So cos theta, theta is what here? Pi by 4 t. So 2 will be remains as it is. So this is of equation of particle at this position. So x we got it here what? 2 cos pi by 4 t it is. So 2 cos pi by 4 t it is. So sine plus t, sorry, sine 90 plus theta, that is of remains with the cos here. Here in this case again it is moving, particle is moving in the negative direction, means 90 plus theta is cos theta here. In this second quadrant cos is negative, but the derivation form is sine. So sine is a positive here, so that's why 2 cos pi by 4 t it is. it is moving, displacement is moving, whether it is positive or negative, we will check out with the velocity here, right? So let us go ahead with the velocity part. At a particular time period, t is equal to 2 seconds and t is equal to 3 seconds. So let us go ahead with the velocity. V is equal to dx by dt, right? So as we got x is equal to what here? 2 cos pi by 4 t it is. So 2 cos pi by 4 t. So at a time, first we'll check it here. At a time t is equal to 2 seconds. So as dx by dt here, we'll got it here, dx by dt, that is of d by dt of 2 cos pi by 4 t, then d by dt of this part is again variable, that is of pi by 4 t it is. So we got it here, v t is equal to 2 seconds, that is of 2 will becomes d by dt of cos is a sine pi by 4 t, then d by dt of pi by 4 t means it is pi by 4 it is. So rearranging this one, we'll got it here 2 into pi by 4, this part will come here, and sine of pi by 4. So sine of pi by 4 here. So once again I'll write neatly. So t into sine of pi by 4 here. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So pi by 2. So pi by 2 into sine of pi by 2 sine. So we'll cross check here. V is equal to what? T is equal to 2 seconds. So that is of d by dt of cos. 2 will be comes out. Cos d by dt of cos is sine pi by 4 t into d by dt of pi by 4 here. So d by dt of cos is sine, but sine d by dt of cos will becomes as a negative here. So minus sine pi by 4 into t, I will put it into the bracket here, that is pi by 4 here. Now I will rearrange this one, minus 2 pi by 4 sine of pi by 4 into t. So time period it is a 2 second. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, minus pi by 2 sine of pi by 4 into 2. So pi by 4 into 2 it is. I'll write it clearly once again. Sine pi by 4 into 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So remains with what here? Minus pi by 2 sine of pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2 here. So this is what we are getting the velocity at a time period t is equal to 2. So minus sine pi by 2 it is what? 1 it is. So velocity finally we are getting, that is of minus pi by 2 centimeter per second it is, because sine pi by 2 is equal to 1 it is. So sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. We are getting the velocity at a time period t is equal to 2 seconds, that is of minus pi by 2 centimeter per second here. Now we will move towards the velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. So what we are getting? Velocity t is equal to 3 seconds. So 2 sine of pi by 4 into t. So again pi by 4 it is, right? So minus 2. So here also minus. So sine pi by 4 into 3 into pi by 4 it is. So here I am getting, so that is of what here, minus pi by 4, because 2 ones are 2 twos are. So sine of 3 pi by 4 it is. So sine of 3 pi by 4 will cross check here. So sine of 3 pi by 4, that means sine 135 it is. So we can cross check with the 3 pi, it is 180 degree divided by 4, we'll got it here 135 degree. So sine of 135 degree, how we can do, either sine 180 minus 45 degree, that is we'll get it as a sine 45, right? So that is nothing but what value we are getting for sine 135 here, 1 by root, so sine 45 degree, that is of 1 by root 2 here. So 1 by root 2, that we can get it here from the equation. I mean to say that sine 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 sine 3 pi by 4 is what? So 1 by root 2. So this is of velocity at 3 seconds. So we got the value here. With the solution, we have got the equation of a particle x is equal to a cos pi by 4 t, right? And the velocity at the time period 2 seconds is equal to how much it is? We got it here minus velocity at the t is equal to 2 seconds, that is of minus pi by 2 centimeter per second, and velocity at 3 seconds. So velocity at 3 seconds, we got it here minus pi by 2 minus pi by, no, this is not pi by 4, this is of pi by 2, because 2 ones are 2 will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we are getting pi by 2 into 1 by root 2 centimeter per second it is. So this is about the velocity at this point when t is equal to 2 is a pi by 2 centimeter per second. Negative indicates it is moving in the negative direction, and for the 3 seconds it is showing pi by 2 of 1 by root 2 centimeter per seconds. So this is about the this problem's solution it is.